Hello, this is Martin Brossman, and when you're sharing a URL to post on social media or something else, make sure it's a clean URL. This is a simple way. Make sure that you don't add extra stuff with the URL you're sharing and test it. Just very simple method. So if you look at this URL, Alignable, and then you should see this little question mark and a whole bunch of junk after it. So when you see that question mark moving forward, go ahead and delete that and then press the return key and then press the return key and see if the page still shows up. If that's it, it's clean. Another quick test is, do you have to be signed in or not to see it? So here's the next quick test. You grab this, grab the URL and go over in Chrome Incognito, click the little buttons on the right, see New Incognito Window, and paste it in. If you can't see this, then it means you're signed in some way or it's not visible to the general public. This is a very beginner level of making sure you have a clean URL. Now, as you evolve more, you'll know or not. But many people share like a Google Doc and not realize that only they can see it or something else. So this is a way. See how I can see it? Of course, it says join today because that's what Alignable brings up if you're not signed in. And I know that, and I can still see the page. So I just gave you two methods. One, clean off the stuff from the question mark forward, then press the return key, see if you still see it. Then if you really want to make sure others can access it, go incognito and paste it in and see if you see it. If you do, then you got a nice link to share with other people. Don't forget, hope you found this useful. If you did, make sure to click subscribe and the bell so you get future videos. This is Martin Brossman. Have a great day.